We got us a 2020 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack 392, 6.4 liter beast. What we got done on it for you guys, factory converters, there and there. Factory X pipe, there, 3-inch pipe. Then he brought his own, he saw our videos and brought his own Jones JFP 3-inch. There'll be a link in the description. Right there, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. And there's the rear resonators, there and there. And factory tips, there and there. As you guys can see, there's the mids we took out right there, the mid mufflers. Replace them with some Jones. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And thank you for his service, Air Force. Much better. Sounds different than that one. But we cut the valves out of that one too. So probably if you put it in sport mode, it's a little louder. Sounds good though. Where's sound decibels? Again? 107. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah, that sounds so good. Jones. 3-inch pipe. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments how you like the sound of it. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Nice, setting up.